Just maybe not a Stanley knife, but a small knife, and then just prise that out. Yeah. So that goes back like so, and then there's 4 underneath here. Phillips screws again, 4 small Phillips screws. So from there, it then goes to all your Torx. It's the end of your Phillips. I don't know why they do a mixture of Phillips and Torx screws in the same unit. It's Dyson. Put them in the container, these screws.
Sorry.
To the side, this comes up. And then this comes
That's scraping.
Oops, forgot that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy to forget. So that's that. Oh, didn't take this out. So that's that baby. When we blow this out, we blow all the dirt and all inside there. So we get inside there, we blow all the way around inside there. These are just little